Hi guys, I'm Heidi Kristoffer, and today we are going to do a yoga grounding flow. So when things feel chaotic and out of control, it's really good to move into first chakra poses, which are all about grounding, stability, foundation, all those things. So let's do it. We're going to start in Malasana. So I have 2 blocks here. So if your hips are tight and this is very uncomfortable for you, don't worry about it. Sit on something. So you can sit on one block like so, or you can, if that doesn't feel sturdy, you can take 2 blocks and sit like this, or you can use no blocks. So do what's right for you. Take your heels as wide apart as they need to be so that both heels are on the ground and one's not sort of popping up. And then find your Malasana squat. If you need to roll up a blanket or a towel underneath your heels, that works too. So do what works for you. Find your squat, elbows inside the thighs, and then close your eyes. Start to deepen your breathing. Start to lengthen your inhales. Lengthen your exhales. See if you can use each inhale to create a little extra space. And use each exhale to let go of anything that needs letting go of right in this moment. In your mind's eye, just picture yourself. Picture you as you are right here, right now. And picture yourself as peaceful as you've ever been. As calm, as grounded, as secure. Take one more deep breath in. And one more deep breath out. Really nice. Float your eyes open. Take your right arm just as it is. Just straighten the elbow. Take the right hand to the ground. Inhale the left arm up. And find a nice open twist. Big inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, wring yourself out. 2 more deep breaths just like that. Big inhale. Exhale. 1 more big inhale. And exhale. Really nice. Come back through center and switch sides. So again, your arm is already on the thigh and calf, and you just extend the arm, plant the palm so it's grounded, and then inhale the right arm up. Big inhale lengthens the spine. Exhale, twist yourself out. Twists are detoxifying and purifying, so wring out anything that's not serving you. 1 more big inhale. Exhale. Really nice. Prayer your hands at your heart center. Get a nice tall spine. Feel all 4 corners of your feet firmly rooting into the ground, and then inhale straight up. And exhale straight down. Nice. 3 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 2. Inhale up. Don't move those feet. Exhale down. Feel grounded. 1 more. Inhale up. And exhale down. Nice this time. Stand tall. Inhale. Parallel those toes. Heel toe your feet together and find Tadasana. So outer edges of your feet are parallel. The big toes are touching. Arms to either side of you. Lengthen the tailbone. Lift the back of the skull. Close your eyes. Feel all 4 corners of each foot firmly pressing into the ground, reminding you of your strong, steady foundation. Big inhale here. Exhale. Beautiful. Float those eyes open. Make sure you're at the very top of your mat. And then inhale, the arms reach out and up. We're just going to take some very basic sun salutations. Exhale, pray your hands through center all the way to the ground. Uttanasana, forward bend. You can always use blocks if your hands don't touch the ground. Inhale, the right leg goes back to a low lunge. Breathe here. And then plant your palms. Step back. Down dog. Big breath in. Big breath out. Make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. Inhale, roll out to your plank pose. Exhale, drop your knees to the ground. Pull the belly in. Modified chaturanga. Elbows graze the rib cage. Inhale, pull your chest through for a cobra of any size. It can be a baby cobra. It can be a high cobra. Just do what's right for your body today. And then through all 4s, tuck your toes, lift your hips. Down dog. Inhale, the right leg high. Down dog split. Exhale, step the right foot between your hands. Find your low lunge. Breathe here. And then step the left foot forward. Uttanasana, forward bend. I just wanted to go through this really slowly the first time so you could get it all. Inhale, the arms reach out and up. Palms press, hands come through your heart center all the way to the ground. Inhale, that left leg goes back to the low lunge, second side. Breathe here, reach the heel back to get the stretch. Plant your palms, step back, downward facing dog. Big inhale here. Exhale, drop anything that's keeping you down. Roll out to plank pose. Exhale, lower knees to the ground. Again, pull the belly in, elbows go straight back, graze the rib cage. Inhale, pull through cobra of any size. Exhale through all fours, lift your hips, down dog. Inhale, that left leg is high, down dog split. Exhale, step the left foot between your hands for your low lunge. Breathe here, and then step the right foot to meet the left, Uttanasana, forward bend. Inhale, the arms reach out and up. Palms press, thumbs to the center of your chest. One more time, just a lot faster. Inhale, the arms reach up. Exhale, prayer through heart center to the ground, forward bend. Inhale, right leg goes back, low lunge. Exhale, plant your palms, step back, down dog. Inhale, rolls you out to plank pose. Exhale, modified chaturanga like we've been doing, or regular chaturanga. Elbows graze the ribcage, body is a board. Inhale, upward facing dog, open your beautiful heart, or cobra if up dog is too much for you. Exhale, lift your hips, down dog. Big breath in, big breath out. Inhale, right leg is high, down dog split. Exhale, step right foot between the hands. Left foot meets it, Uttanasana, standing forward bend. Inhale, the arms reach all the way up. Palms press through your heart center all the way to the ground, Uttanasana. Inhale, your left leg goes back, low lunge. Exhale, plant your palms, step back, down dog. Roll out to plank pose on your inhale. Exhale, lower halfway down, modified or regular chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, lift your hips, down dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, the left leg is high, down dog split. Exhale, step the left foot between your hands for your low lunge. Right foot meets it, Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Inhale, the arms reach out and up. Palms press, thumbs to your heart, close your eyes, plug your thumbs into your heartbeat and feel it. Big breath in, big breath out. Beautiful. Bend your knees, sink your hips. Utkatasana, chair pose. So important in chair pose to make sure that you can see all 10 of your beautiful toes in front of your knees. So pull that belly in, lengthen the tailbone, drop the shoulders away from your ears, turn the corners of your mouth up. It'll help. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, prayer twist to the right. So hook your left elbow outside the right thigh. Inhale, lengthens the spine. Exhale, rings out your organs around it. One more breath here. Exhale. Beautiful. Inhale through center chair. Exhale, prayer twist to the left. So arm is outside of the thigh. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, ring yourself out. Make sure that your knees aren't coming in front of you and you're actually twisting and not turning. One more inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Inhale through center. And then we'll just take a few of those side to side. Exhale, twist. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist. Nice. One more on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Really nice. Inhale up through center. Exhale, swan dive down. Inhale, long flat spine. Exhale, plant your palms. Step back to your plank pose. Beautiful. Feel your plank. So your hands are holding you up. Your feet are holding you up. Pull the belly in. Lengthen the tailbone. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, lift your hips to your down dog. On your inhale, roll back to plank, one vertebra at a time. We'll do that 2 more times. Lift those hips to down dog. Using your breath, roll out to plank. Really nice. One more time. Inhale, lift those hips up. And then roll out to plank pose. Beautiful. Find that plank one more time. Make sure that your wrists are directly underneath those shoulders. And then elbows go straight back and you go all the way to the ground. Totally lower your knees if you need to, of course. And then scoop back on your mat if you don't want your face on the ground. Big toes together. clasp your hands behind your sacrum. Inhale, lift your chest, thighs, and toes, Shalabhasana pose. Breathe here. Exhale, halfway down, and 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, halfway down. 1 more, inhale. Lift, lift, lift. Free to the toes. Turn your chest to the right. Should feel good on your shoulders. Turn your chest to the left. Come through center. Lift tall. And relax. Really nice. Through all fours. Down dog. So we're going to do a modified Surya B. Spin the left heel down, step the right foot forward. Inhale the arms up and find your warrior 1. So in warrior 1, your hips are not open. They're closed and your legs are scissoring together. So really internally rotate those thighs. And then on the exhale, you plant your palms, spin onto the ball of your back foot, and move through a vinyasa. So right leg goes back to plank. Exhale, lower half or all the way down, whatever is your preference. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, lift your hips. Down dog. Right heel spins down, left foot is forward. Inhale the arms up. So again, find the closing of those hips. Squaring them off, internally rotating the thighs. Feel all 4 corners of each foot on the ground. And as you exhale, plant your palms, move through the vinyasa that you choose. Inhaling to up dog or cobra. Exhale, lifting the hips to down dog. Okay, we're gonna move through that 1 more time on each side, just a little faster. So left heel spins down, right foot is forward. Inhale the arms up, internally rotating those thighs, engaging the pelvic floor. Exhale, plant palms. If you want to do a 3-legged vinyasa, do it, or regular. Just make it your own, make it your flow, make it feel right for you in your body right here, right now. Right heel spins down, left foot is forward. Inhale the arms up, find your foundation. And on the exhale, plant your palms, move through your vinyasa, 3-legged plank, 3-legged vinyasa, or regular. Just do you all the time. Exhale, lift your hips, down dog. Doing you, knowing that that's okay, will make you feel more grounded. Nice, tap your knees down. We're gonna take a wide knees child's pose and then make it a move. So first take your knees nice and wide, find your child's pose. Allow your third eye, your forehead, to rest right on your mat or a block if it doesn't hit the mat. And just know that that point of contact calms down your parasympathetic nervous system. So it's good for you. Big breath in. Big breath out. Beautiful. And this is the move that we're going to make this. We're going to do a little child's pose flow. So look between your hands and see if you can slither your chest through your hands into a baby cobra or a big one. And then exhale, lift your hips, come back to that wide knees child's pose, and keep doing that. So you're just slithering forward, inhaling forward, staying super low to the ground. Exhale, lift your hips back, child's pose. So do that at your own pace a few times, just really noticing how good and comforting it feels to stay so close to the ground. Something that's never going to move, it's never going to leave you, it's always going to be there. The earth is always going to be underneath you, as long as you're on this planet. 1 more time, inhale, pull through, find your heart opener, and then exhale. Find that child's pose 1 more time. Just relax that forehead for 1 deep breath in. Then 1 deep breath out. Gorgeous. Sit yourself up on your knees. Swing your legs around, and we're going to take Baddha Konasana, which is a butterfly pose. So bound angle. You take your heels as close to your pelvis as they want to be. Your feet are together. Your knees are wide. And you can either grab your toes, your ankles, or your feet like sort of books. It's whatever feels best for you. Take a big inhale to lengthen through your spine. And exhale, forward bend. So know, of course, if you need a block or 5 underneath your forehead, take them. Do you. Make this right for you and nobody else. It doesn't matter what it looks like on me. It matters what it feels like on you. Just inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, release all of your worries. Worrying only robs you of the present moment. Be right here, right now. Each inhale creates space. Each exhale moves you into the space that you have created. 1 more breath here. Really beautiful. Sit yourself up. You've totally got this. And then take your feet together, your knees together, plant your feet, and you're gonna come into a bridge pose. So, what you want to do in bridge is have your fingertips so they actually graze your heels. Make sure your feet are parallel, the outer edges. If you need a block in between your thighs, take it. Actually, I'll show you with a block because that protects your sacrum, because when you externally rotate those thighs, your sacrum gets crunched and we don't want that. So line it all up, grab the block, put on the medium setting in between your thighs, and then inhale, lift those hips up as high as they feel good. If you want to stay here, stay here. If you want to clasp your hands underneath you and get a sort of nicer shoulder opener with this, by all means do. But please press into the big toe mound of your feet, internally rotate the thighs, and keep lifting up through your hips. Breathe here, pressing into all four corners of your feet. Feel your grounding, even as you're opening your chest. One more deep breath in. One more deep breath out. Slowly, slowly, make your way down. Take your block off to the side if you have it. And then we're just gonna do a twist. So tee your arms out to either side and lengthen the right leg long. Hug the left knee in. Breathe here, giving your knee a nice little hug. And then take a twist over to the right. Left arm reaches to the left. Head goes to the left. Big inhale here. Exhale. One more big inhale. Exhale. Nice. Come on through center, switch legs. So hug the right knee in now. Left leg is long, hug it tight, and then take your twist. So you take that right knee over to the left, the right arm reaches to the right, and you look to the right. Just know that the height of your knee determines where in your back you are stretching, so make sure it feels awesome. Breathe here. One more. Really nice. Come back through center. Give your knees a hug. And then just rock and roll your way up to sit, or you can lean over to the side and come up to sit. It's totally up to you. So you're going to come to a comfortable seat. It can be cross-legged, kneeling. You can be on a block, a pillow. You can be on anything at all that's going to make you feel like your sits bones are connected to something. And that's the important part, because that's the part that makes you feel grounded. When you found that nice, comfortable seat, close your eyes. Regular breath in, regular breath out. Really nice. We're going to start some even timed breathing. So inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And keep this going with your eyes closed. It doesn't matter what number you do. You can go as high or as low as feels good for you. What matters is that you are counting and that your inhales and your exhales are even. That will calm the mind and ground you even further. So let's just breathe a little more. Even inhale, even exhale, and just one more deepest breath you've done yet, and deepest breath out. Take a big inhale, reach your arms out and up. Palms press, thumbs to the center of your chest. Press your thumbs into your heartbeat and feel it beating there for you. Feel your sits bones firmly rooting into the ground, reminding you of your strong, steady base. You are right here, right now. So don't think about the future. Don't think about the past. Just be firmly right here, right now, in this grounded, present moment. Namaste. Thank you so much for flowing with me. Again, I'm Heidi Kristoffer, and I hope that you feel super grounded, super calm, and great. See you next time.